In this short tutorial, I will show you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. Polls are a great way to gather opinions or make group decisions quickly and easily. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. After that, tap and select any individual or group chat in which you want to create a poll. Then tap on the plus button at the bottom left. And then, from the options, tap Poll. Now you can create your poll. First, ask the question. And then type in the answer options. You can add up to 12 options. You can also change the order of these options by tapping and holding these three lines to the right of an option, and dragging it up or down. If you want participants to select only one answer option, you can toggle off this switch. You can toggle on this switch, and it will allow participants to select more than one answer. Once you have entered all the details, tap Send to post the poll in the chat. Participants can then simply tap on their preferred option to vote. To view the results, simply tap View Votes. This will show you how many votes each option has received, allowing you to easily see which option is most popular among participants. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.